Hello, I'm Nick Poulin, and today we're going to be taking a closer look at a very early factory engraved Marlin Model 1881 Deluxe Lever Action Rifle chambered in 4570. Research indicates that this outstanding first variation factory engraved rifle is not only very likely the earliest engraved Model 1881 rifle that was manufactured, but the only one that is known with a rebated receiver ring. The left side of the receiver has a circular panel with a charging buffalo bull. The left side figure depicts a white-tailed buck and doe. The scenes are surrounded by an extensive vine-type foliate scroll with punch dot backgrounds and fancy borders. Complementing scroll extends to the upper and lower receiver areas as well as the flanges, top tang, and surrounds a stag head on the breech bolt. Although not signed by the engraver, the engraving appears to be the work of Conrad Ulrich Jr. Conrad Ulrich did almost all of Marlin's engraving from 1881 through 1910. The rare nickel-finished action has a case-colored hammer and lever and is fitted with a 28-inch octagon barrel with full-length mag tube and line and bead front sight, graduated rear sight, and combination tang sight. It has a steel-capped fore-end and a straight grip stock of fancy thin-shell walnut with a steel shotgun butt plate and point pattern hand checkering that wraps the toe line of the stock and forearm. The condition of this rare Marlin is overall very good, showing fading finish and wear as one would anticipate on a rifle that is over 140 years old. If you like this video and want to learn more about interesting collectible Marlin firearms, then visit our website at poulinauctions.com. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, stay safe, and send it downrange.